The launch timeline is firmly set. Following its September 2025 reveal, the electric GLC will begin reaching customers in early 2026 as part of the 2026 model year lineup. The US is expected to be among the first markets, followed closely by Europe and other global regions. For Mercedes, this model is a strategic cornerstone, as the GLC is historically its best-selling SUV. Electrifying such a core product signals how central EVs have become to the company's identity. Pricing has not yet been finalized, but expectations are clear. Positioned above the internal combustion versions of the GLC, the electric GLC is likely to carry a starting price in the range of $60,000 to $90,000 depending on trim. That places it squarely in the premium EV SUV market, competing against models like the BMW iX3, Audi Q8 e-tron, and Tesla Model Y Performance. Given Mercedes's reputation and the strong features on offer, it is expected to be highly competitive in its segment. Beyond the product itself, the electric GLC embodies Mercedes-Benz's broader mission. The company has publicly committed to electrifying its lineup and ultimately becoming carbon neutral. Vehicles like this SUV are crucial for both brand loyalty and regulatory compliance, especially in markets with tightening emissions rules. For buyers, it means that choosing luxury no longer requires compromising on environmental responsibility. Looking forward, the electric GLC's impact will extend beyond sales. It will serve as a benchmark for how well Mercedes can transition its most important nameplates into the electric age. Success here could accelerate similar electrification of other core models, while also setting the tone for design, user experience, and brand identity in the EV era. As early 2026 approaches, anticipation continues to grow. From its 483 horsepower dual-motor setup to its 39.1-inch Hyperscreen, and from its sustainable materials to its advanced charging and connectivity, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC with EQ technology represents far more than just a new car. It represents the merging of tradition and innovation, of heritage and future, of luxury and responsibility. For buyers seeking an SUV that embodies progress without compromise, this model could very well be the one to define the next chapter of the brand. Inside, however, is where the electric GLC makes perhaps its boldest statement. Stretching across the dash is a breathtaking 39.1-inch Hyperscreen, a continuous pane of glass that houses multiple displays seamlessly under one surface. This massive digital dashboard has been borrowed and refined from Mercedes's flagship EQS sedan, but in this SUV it becomes a focal point of luxury and technology. Drivers will enjoy fully digital instrumentation, a large central touchscreen, and even a passenger-side display, creating an immersive cockpit that balances sophistication with functionality. The interior materials reflect Mercedes' shift towards sustainability without sacrificing quality. Customers will be able to choose a vegan-certified package, eliminating animal-based materials while still delivering the tactile refinement buyers expect. High-quality fabrics, recycled composites, and advanced finishes will be matched with ambient lighting that transforms the cabin mood at the touch of a button. While physical buttons are reduced compared to previous generations, Mercedes has ensured that essential functions remain intuitive, avoiding the pitfalls of over-digitization that some rivals face. Comfort and space have been improved compared to the combustion engine GLC. By using the dedicated electric platform, Mercedes was able to optimize cabin dimensions and floor packaging, which means more rear legroom and cargo flexibility. Combined with the quietness of electric propulsion and advanced insulation, passengers can expect a serene ride even at highway speeds. On the technology front, the electric GLC incorporates Mercedes' Car-to-X communication system, enabling vehicles to share information with each other and with infrastructure for improved safety and efficiency. This can include early warnings about road hazards, traffic updates, or optimized navigation for charging. Advanced driver assistance systems continue to be standard, with options like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automated parking. In line with the brand's strategy, these systems will be enhanced through over-the-air updates, meaning the SUV can become smarter and more capable over time. Charging capability is another major highlight. With its 800-volt architecture, the electric GLC is designed for ultra-fast charging, significantly reducing downtime during long trips. While Mercedes has not finalized official charging figures, expectations are that the SUV will be able to recover substantial range in just minutes at compatible high-power charging stations. Home charging solutions will also be offered, integrating with Mercedes' energy ecosystem and allowing smart management of electricity use. Range figures are still pending, with variations expected between different trims and battery configurations. However, given Mercedes' positioning of the vehicle, analysts expect competitive numbers that will make the GLC a viable choice for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. The focus has been not only on maximizing range, but also on ensuring consistent performance regardless of driving conditions. Mercedes-Benz is also making sure that the electric GLC is more than just numbers on a spec sheet. Test drives and previews suggest that ride quality remains one of its greatest strengths. Suspension tuning combines adaptive damping with the inherent smoothness of an electric drivetrain, resulting in composed handling and comfort. For buyers in markets with varied road conditions, this versatility will be a strong selling point. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC with EQ technology arrives as one of the most anticipated vehicles in the luxury SUV market, representing both an evolution of the brand's most popular mid-size SUV and a statement about the company's future. Revealed in September 2025 and slated for launch in early 2026, this all-electric version of the GLC is designed to blend Mercedes' long-standing reputation for refinement with cutting-edge technology and sustainability. At its core, the new GLC is built on Mercedes-Benz's MB.EA platform, an advanced architecture dedicated to electric vehicles. This allows engineers to optimize everything from cabin space to power delivery in ways that combustion-based designs simply cannot match. With dual electric motors driving all four wheels, the electric GLC provides all-wheel drive confidence, superb traction, and impressive balance between efficiency and performance. Mercedes has engineered the system to work with an 800-volt electrical setup, which translates to not only higher efficiency but also significantly faster charging. The numbers are compelling. Power output is expected to reach around 483 horsepower, or about 360 kilowatts. That puts it firmly in the performance category for mid-size luxury SUVs. While Mercedes has not yet revealed the final torque figures, expectations are high that instant electric torque will give the GLC sharp acceleration, responsiveness in urban environments, and confident highway merging power. Early estimates suggest towing capability will reach up to 5,100 pounds, further emphasizing that this is a practical family vehicle as much as a luxury cruiser. What stands out visually is the continuation of Mercedes's EQ design language, which refines the look of the traditional GLC while integrating smoother lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and futuristic touches. The styling is less aggressive than some competitors, but unmistakably premium, with sleek proportions that underscore both elegance and modernity. New front and rear lighting elements incorporate EQ-inspired LED signatures, while flush door handles and aerodynamic wheel options point to efficiency gains.